Hello my bougie people, welcome to my channel. I have a super fun luxury haul for you today. I have some items that have been sitting in my closet that I purchased a while ago that I never unboxed. They are literally sitting here waiting in the box for me to show them to you so I can finally wear them. So I'm going to do two luxury hauls. There is one today and one I'm going to release pretty soon to catch up on all of my unboxings for you. I am going to start with the sponsor of this video, which is Urban Revivo. I heard of Urban Revivo for the first time when they reached out to me, and then when I saw their clothes, guys, they have some Chanel-y looking clothes, literally Chanel looking clothes for a fraction of the price. Everything's so beautiful, so girly, so classy. So I have to show you the goodies that I got from them. You are gonna die. You are going to die. Look at this color. How beautiful. Look at the detail of the button. Guys, I am not kidding you. This is all so flipping beautiful. But hold on. Is there anything more Chanel than a classic knit set? So look at this. It comes with a mini skirt and the top. I am drooling over this. How perfect for summer, for spring, looking so classic. You can wear this with pearls, with your jewels, with your Van Cleef, with your Chanel bags. Next, look at this dress, okay? Beautiful sleeve, and look at the attention to detail. It comes with this beautiful removable bow, so if you want, you can put this on and make it really classic like this, or you can remove it if you are in the mood to wear like some long pearls and you don't want to have anything else. You absolutely can remove this, but the fabric on this is so soft. Okay, next I have to show you this jacket. Oh my god, check this out. Look at the buttons, okay? The buttons are covered in gold around. Look at the buttons here on the sleeve. Such thick, high quality tweed, and look at the lining. This has weight to it. Is there anything more fabulous than a classic tweed jacket? Revivo sells out really fast. If you see something you love, you have to buy it right away. So as I'm choosing the items that I wanted, everything is like selling out. So when I talked to the content from Urban Revivo, she said, okay, no problem, I'm gonna send you some extra pieces. And what happened was she sent me some extra pieces that I had not ordered for myself. And I am so happy that she did, because I'm gonna show you a couple of them, okay? So this was one of them. Check out this sweater with the puffy sleeve, kind of tight on the cuffs, which I'm all about my puffy sleeves. They are such a level of attention to detail. Look at the buttons. The buttons are little knit flowers, guys. Check this out. There's so many things you can do with a fabulous knit cardigan like this. Oh, look at this dress. And then it has the black trim. Again, very, very Chanel. Look at the button, okay? It has like crystal buttons. I was a little concerned about the fit. I was like, is this gonna fit me right? Because I have a tricky body, guys. I have large breasts, I have a small waist, and I have wide hips. Like I feel like I am voluptuous, I was afraid of what the fit of the dress was going to look like. And when I put them on, I fell backwards. It is perfect. And then it has a nice amount of stretch. Look at this. So it hugs your body. And then to match this dress, this jacket right here, check this out. How beautiful. This one has like the trim that's like faux leather. The fringe on the back, look at this. And it has gold threads. The shoulder pads, the black lining, how beautiful. The last item is this dress. Perfect baby pink, girly, a crisscross of fringe right here. And then it has fringe at the bottom. And the fabric is this beautiful knit tweed. This look is so hot right now, like the classic preppy chic girly look. When I put this on, I couldn't believe it. I thought it looked so perfect, so beautiful on the breast. This crisscross right here. looks amazing on your chest. What a gorgeous dress. I hope you enjoyed this Urban Revival haul. The pieces are beautiful. The quality is amazing. You have to check out their site. I'm gonna leave the link in the description box below. Go take a look at what they have. But if there's something you like, you have to get it right away. And keep an eye on the website because they also get new merchandise all the time. I hope I get to work with them again because I loved everything I got. So now let's get to the rest of this haul. How about we start with some Gucci? Hello! I am dying to wear this so much. And this is a piece from the Gucci Balenciaga Hacker project. So it was the Gucci Balenciaga collaboration. So you can see the box in the front is green, traditional Gucci, and then the back is gray. I know I am so late in showing you this stuff. That's how it comes packaged. Okay, so the dust bag also, you know, the front of it is Gucci and the back of the dust bag is Balenciaga, which I think is so cool. Ta-da! Check this out. I got the Hacker Project boots. Cannot tell you how much I love this. If you know me, you know that I wear my Balenciaga black knife boots to death. One of the best all-time shoe purchases for me is the Balenciaga knife boot. I just think knife boots look so sophisticated. They make your look instantly high fashion. So I have been looking for a pair of knife boots, and when I saw this, so here's the deal. The Hacker Project collaboration was tricky. There were some pieces that I thought were amazing, and there were some pieces that I thought were really bad. So I thought you had to be smart about what you chose from that collection because you don't want to buy something that in 2 months is gonna be passé because everybody knows it's from that collection. So I thought this was a smart piece to purchase because this has the Balenciaga shape, not the logo. It only has the Gucci logo. Classic Gucci logo that will be around forever. I think the pieces that have Balenciaga and Gucci are a little bit trickier, right? But if you are a collector, you will see that I bought one of those pieces for my daughter. I'm gonna show it to you. But I think you had to be really careful with your choices. Now this was very hard to get and I kind of regret a little bit because I got this on my regular size, which is a 39.5, and I wished I got it in a 40. I had a brain fart. I don't even know what to tell you because my other Balenciaga boots are 40. So she got me the 39.5 and then it was sold out. Obviously, I couldn't get anything else. And I can walk in them. They're totally doable. And the best part is that the heels are actually not as high as the ones that I have. So they're a lot more walkable. But you know, they would be way more walkable if I had a little bit of wiggle room for my toes. My hope is that because this is kind of like fabric, stretchy fabric, that this will stretch over time. And then the other piece that I got from this collaboration was actually for my daughter. We went to visit the pop-up in Miami. I fell in love with the boots and she fell in love with this. So I want to show it to you because I think it's so cool. Check it out. Look at the dust bag again, so cute, right? Balenciaga with Gucci. And then you open this up. Ta-da-da! Check this out. This is a little card holder that is also a bag. Okay, how cute is this? So my daughter wanted something to go to festivals, something that was really small that she could put like her card, her must-haves, and keep it super close to her body. And when we saw this, oh, we fell in love. So this one, you know, has Balenciaga and the Gucci logo. And then if you open up, it's actually pretty fat. Look at this. It's pretty spacious. So you open it up, you have this first compartment right here to put your stuff. And then you open this up, so it's nicely secured. And check this out. It opened this way, and then you have this space right here for your money or additional cards. There is a pocket right here. Look at this. It expands like such. And then if you want to use this as a card holder, the chain is removable. Okay, so check this out. You can have it just as a card holder to put on your bag. So I thought that this was a very, very versatile piece. So, you know, I wanted to get my daughter a little, you know, memento, like a little memory from this collection. And I thought that this was the perfect thing. I will totally steal this from her. You can actually also wear this as a belt bag.
No, I don't think you understand. I'm obsessed.
Next, we're gonna do Versace. In all honesty, because you know I tell you the truth, this is not the box this item came packed in, but I wanted to be able to, I don't know, unbox it properly, if you will, and I'll tell you a story about this, because I'm a little disappointed, okay? But this is the actual item. Ta-da-da! And this is a Versace Round Bag, okay? It says Versace right here at the bottom, if you can tell, and then at the front it has the Medusa. I really love this kind of like, I don't know, plastic Medusa. I think this look is really cool, way cooler than the gold. I feel like the gold one on the bag makes it look a little cheaper, you know. I really like this kind of like one-tone look for the bag. I have worn this bag quite a few times, so if you follow me on Instagram, you have seen me wear this already. I just had not properly unboxed this for you, but check it out. It has like a little pocket inside. The lining is fabric. This bag is super spacious, and I wanted kind of like a white everyday bag. If you look here on the side, you know, the strap is the strap removable? Oh yeah, look. The strap is totally removable, so you can actually change the strap to a chain if you would like, to make it look a little bit more formal. That's cool. I did not realize that. But, so let's talk about this bag. Do I regret buying this bag? I absolutely don't, because I wear white bags like crazy. My other white bag is my Lady Dior, which is in lizard, full of crystals, kind of like a prized possession for me that I don't want to wear all the time. I am not very impressed with the quality, guys. I am not impressed at all with the quality of the Versace bag. I am not really upset because I got this on sale for half price at the end of the season sale. So for the price that I paid, which was $584, right under $600, I believe, this is a pretty good bag, right? This is the price of a mid-range bag, not luxury. So I'm not upset, okay? But would I pay the regular price, $1,100, $1,200 for this bag? Absolutely no. Absolutely no. Do not fall for this trap, okay? Whenever Versace has sales at the end of the season, I always post on my Instagram. So if you are interested, make sure you're following me there, because that's how I keep my peeps updated. And I scored some amazing deals this season along with a lot of my followers. But guys, for a $1,200 bag, I don't know. The leather is kind of thin. You see this trim right here, this like glazed trim? This to me looks so flipping cheap, okay? A bag that costs $1,200, $1,400 should have a leather trim, kind of like around it, all sewn, so you don't have this black contrasting with a white bag. I mean, look how cheap that looks, guys. Like, this is terrible, you know? This just is lazy. I feel like the leather is really thin, but this trim is what to me makes the bag look really flipping cheap. If this had a white trim around here with a proper finish, this bag would look like $1,000,000. I am so disappointed. The bag did not come in a box. It came in a plastic bag, okay, with the dust bag, and that was it. Like, dude, when you buy a luxury handbag, it should be an experience. I bought this directly from the Versace website. Every bag that you buy that is luxury should come in a box, man. That is like minimum packaging requirements if you are running your bags in the $1,000 range and above. Like, when I opened the box, I was like, what is this? It took me a minute to realize that it was this bag. I'm like, where's the box? Like, the freaking Versace robe came in a box, that's the box that I just showed you, by the way, and the bag didn't. It came in a plastic flipping bag. Like, in talking to my followers on Instagram, I have been receiving a lot of complaints on Versace quality in general, okay? In general. So, based on this experience, would I ever buy another Versace bag full price? Probably not. Unless it's like a unique bag that is like on the upper price ranges, you know, with detail, exotic, I don't know. Coach has better finish than this bag. But I am not upset. I didn't return it because I'm satisfied. It's very spacious. It's a great everyday bag. It fulfills its purpose for me. Next on this haul, we have Prada. And this item was actually a gift, guys, that I have to show you. From Prada, check it out. A beach bag, guys. Look at this. Look how huge this is. I am going to Greece this year. I am totally bringing this with me because how perfect is this? Check this out. How beautiful is this? Like, I would never think I would get an actual bag ever as a gift from a brand, okay? Never. I am not that much of a baller blogger that Louis Vuitton and Prada are sending me gifts. Like, my local essays will give me some fabulous gifts like this, you know? But I just never thought I would get an actual bag. Like, the handle is actual leather. And I mean, this is, you know, the straw material that is so flipping hot. I am actually wearing a very Grecian dress. Check this out. How perfect. I mean, like my hotel, and I go to the pool with my things, or the beach, or I go for like a day excursion. And then look at what he also gave me. How beautiful. These are actual Prada notebooks with the pencils, okay? Let me take this off. Even the pencil says Prada, the little elastic band says Prada. And look, these are 2 notebooks, so cute. Check this out. And it says Prada inside as well. I am obsessed, guys. And then the last item on this haul is Chanel. This is my latest purchase. Like, I literally just got this at the new Chanel store in the Miami Design District. So Chanel just opened a brand new huge store in the Design District, and I'm so happy about that because I used to have to drive so far to go to Chanel in Miami, and now I don't have to do that anymore. So let me unbox this baby from the new collection. Check them out. Do they look like sorbet or what? When I saw this, look at the heel. It says Chanel right here on the heel with the logo. How cute. Oh my gosh, look at this. It has the little Chanel logo right here in gold. This has the Chanel quilting. I am so in love with this. And then let me tell you the story. So I go to the store and I see this right here, and I am carrying my Birkin special order, which is this exact color. When I saw this, my Birkin special order is a hard color because it's like this. It's not exactly pink, it's not exactly coral or peachy. It's kind of like an in-between color, and I have never been able to find shoes to match my special order Birkin until now. So when I saw this, I was like, oh my God, I gotta have it. She's like, I am sorry, I don't have your size. Everything is sold out because, you know, Chanel, everything is limited as hell. If you don't get things on pre-order, you are screwed. She said, I might have a pair on the mannequin. I said, I want it. We're gonna have to get it out of the mannequin. So our essay there is so nice, and she had to request approval and all of this stuff, and got it out of the mannequin, and it is my perfect size. This is so comfortable. I cannot explain to you. It's like walking on a cloud. The bottom of the shoe is so comfortable, and this right here is so fluffy. I swear it's like putting your foot on a cloud. I could walk on this all day long. So if you are considering, and if your boutique still has this on your size, I say absolutely go for it, because here's the deal, guys. I don't like flats. I don't feel cute or sexy in flats. So yes, I have my Hermes orange sandals that I wear everywhere in Miami if I'm gonna walk all day long, but I do not feel sexy in flats. Like, I cannot explain to you why. This gives me my heels that I feel elongate your legs, but it is still so comfortable. I am obsessed. I was dying to wear them, but I wanted to unbox it to you first so I wouldn't show the bottom all dirty, right? But this, I think, was like $1,100. The only thing is that, man, I don't think I got the dust bags for the shoe. I'm not gonna throw a fit right now because I'm not 100% sure. I'm like 90% sure that I did not get dust bags for these shoes, which pisses me off because I travel like crazy and I like to put all of my shoes on their respective dust bags so they don't get scratched, you know, by other shoe heels and all of that stuff, right? I hope I did, and I hope I am mistaken, but I was looking everywhere and I couldn't find them. So this is it, and make sure you click in the description box below and go check out the sponsor of the video today, because I am telling you, I am guaranteeing you, their clothes are the bomb. Talk about looking cute with Chanel. It is a perfect match. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for taking time off of your busy day to come and hang out with me and watch my videos. It really means the world to me. Thank you so much, you guys. Love you. Bye.